welcome back to my channel. My name is ARPIHOVS, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not familiar with me, I do beauty and fashion videos once a week, and for today's video we are going to be doing a fashion video, and I have been addicted to watching these videos, so I have been inspired to do my own, where people speak about their regret purchases, and my regrets are going to be on designers because that it literally costs an arm and a leg to purchase some of these pieces, and I do regret buying them for the reasons I will be speaking about. So I have 2 purses and 2 pairs of shoes. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So my first designer regret is gonna be these terrible made shoes. Actually they're not terribly made, but okay. So the first pair of shoes I have here are the Gucci Princetowns. They're the genuine shearling logo mule loafers, and I hate these so much. When I bought these, I was absolutely in love. I wore them. I wore the crap out of them. I wore them in the summertime, winter, fall, you name the season, it was on my feet because they are extremely comfortable, but I grew to hate them because after a while they start to smell so bad. And I did put like baking soda in there because baking soda does help eliminate odor. And these are the shoes. I got them in the green ones, and they are pretty neutral. You could wear them with almost anything, so you know, I was wearing and tearing these. I really love the structure of these shoes. I have many Princetowns now, and loafers and mule loafers in general, because they're just great pieces to have in your closet. I just can't stand these. Let me show you. Well, the bottom, obviously wear and tear, you're gonna ruin the bottoms either way. And I got them in a size 37. You do have to size up in this style shoe because of the toe cap, and then on the inside there's a ton of fur in there, which no longer exists because as you wear them you're gonna be losing fur, which is why I don't like it. You're gonna be paying $890 plus tax. They should be making these with higher quality, and this is real fur, which they don't even do repairs to like re-put fur in there, but that's ridiculous. And you can see how there's some fur missing right here, and then it gets stuck in here as well. So most of the fur is gone from in here. Like, it's really hard in here. You can literally feel the floor when you walk in them. And one thing I hate about them is you're literally mopping everyone's floors when you're walking with these, because the outside of the heel area collects everyone's dust. So gross, but that's literally bad. I mean, I don't have any damages on the front part, but everything else is intact except for the fur, and that's my main complaint. I mean, I'm obviously going to be still wearing them. Maybe I'll sell them in the near future, but they sure do keep your feet warm, but they're not worth the price. So that's my first regret. The second shoe regret I have is going to be a pair of Chanel Espadrilles that I had reviewed a couple of years ago on my channel, and I did a try on video with it as well, and I haven't worn them since. I'm bad. These are the Chanel Espadrilles with the pearl detailing. You have pearl all over, not all over the shoe, but you have it on the CC logos and around some parts of it. This is in a size 36. I should have definitely sized up in these, and I think that's part of the reason why I don't wear them. I just don't like pearls. I don't know what got into me that made me buy it. I seriously cannot stand pearls. I think it makes me look older. I mean, some people definitely can pull off the pearl look, but for myself, I absolutely hate pearls. You will never catch me in pearl jewelry. You'll never catch me wearing anything pearl. I like the color of pearl, so I'll do like mother of pearl watch faces and so on and so forth, but these were a designer regret and a mistake on my end. I have 2 other pairs I really love and I do wear often, but Miss Pearl girl, you were a regret. This is a Tom Ford bag that I regret buying with all my heart. When it came, it looked, before I ordered this, it looked really big in photos, and then I got it in person. I was like, what the hell am I gonna put in this? Literally, there's no room in here for anything. I can't even fit my phone in there. Like I have to force it in there, and then if I put my phone in there, I can't put anything else, and then it barely closes. I mean, I guess the good thing is that there's 2 credit card slots, and that's pretty much all you can do, and maybe stick some cash in here. But literally you can't do much. I do use this as a belt bag, so I don't have to go out and buy another one. And I will tell you how much this was, because she was not cheap, sis. Tiny bag. It's literally the size of my face. I bought this for around $700 to $80. That was on sale. I bought it off of Neiman Marcus, and the original retail price is $1,660. So I am getting some use out of this. I might sell it again, but she's a regret. Also, part of why I regret buying this is because there's gold hardware on it. I don't know what I was thinking. I love the color of the bag, but the gold throws me off. It's a no for me. Next. Last item is one of the first designer pieces I purchased. Well, I didn't buy this, my dad bought it for me, but I was just in a Givenchy phase where I was like, I need everything Givenchy. And this is one of the regret pieces I have from them, and I believe it's because of the size and the structure of the bag. When I bought this, I was in love with it, and I held it for a week, and after that I have not held it since. I did take it with me to my trip as a carry-on bag, but it's not roomy enough to fit a laptop in here, which is my main problem. That's why I take the Antigona around, although that one's way heavier than this is. This is the Givenchy Nightingale. They don't make this bag anymore. I did get it in the silver hardware, and this is a puzzle to remove, which I still could never. We're not even gonna try it. It's super slouchy. There is no structure to it. It's just a blob of a potato sack. I don't like the handles on here. I don't like how short the strap is. Even if you try to make it longer, it's still not long enough. Let me see what's in the inside. I stuffed it. There's just one pocket in here. No, actually there's 3 pockets in here, and not enough room for a person like myself, because I like to carry my life in my bag. My laptop goes everywhere I go. I need to put my wallet in there. I need to fit glasses in there. So she is going up on the listing of Poshmark soon. But this, I really feel bad for making my dad buy this in the moment, because I was being selfish and bratty. Dad, I need this bag in my life. Bought it for me in Vegas, and the total was $2,190. I could have bought another Dior bag with that money. So that concludes my designer regret purchases. I will probably be doing a love purchases, because there's a lot of products I love, but I am gonna try to knock it down to like my top 5 favorite luxury products I own. I don't really invest in jewelry or accessories, so I don't have regrets on that end. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!